Hey everybody, this is Scott with Power 360 Media, and the video that you're about to watch is actually part of a series of about 18, 19 videos that we put together a few months ago. Just kind of an introduction to what AI can do for your business. And what I've decided to do is to put all these videos up on YouTube so you can watch them for free. I'm going to put a link down in the video so you can download a lot of the free content that we have. We've got some PDF documents and things like that, some supplementals that will go along with this. Um, but just be advised, with the advancement in technology and software and things like that. These videos were created about 6 months ago. There's already been advancements. So when let's say you log into ChatGPT, now there's some newer versions that are not referenced in the video and things like that. But still, the idea here was to put together a course that's really going to give you a good insight to how you can use AI with your business. We put this course together for real estate professionals, investors, real estate agents, real estate brokers, but really you can tailor this to any business that you may have. So hope you enjoy this. We've got about 18, 19 videos here that I'm going to put in a playlist. I'll put the link down to of the playlist below. I'll also have a link for all of the free documents and supplementals. Hope you enjoy it. Do me a favor, leave a comment and subscribe. That way you'll see when we post new videos about this. We'd love to hear back from you and see what we can do to help. Enjoy this introduction to AI and what it can do for your business. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, welcome back. And in this video, we're going to talk about creating images. So if you go to Explore, well, I've got it right here, image generator. But if you go to Explore GPT and if you just click on Dolly, you're going to have this image generator here. Okay, so we're going to click on that and we're going to hit Start Chat. Okay, so it's got some sample prompts here that you can look at. Generate an image of a futuristic city, design a logo for a new startup tech, create a portrait of a fictional character. So let's say we're writing on a blog post about first-time home buyers. So let's say create a realistic. Okay, so here's what we got. Create a realistic image of a first-time home buyer and their partner enjoying their first home in a suburban area near Seattle, Washington. Have an image of Mount Rainier in the background. Let's see what happens. Boom. How's that? So that could be a photo for your blog post. So what if we wanted to change it? We can still use prompt engineering here. Let's see. Make it in the winter time with snow. How about that? There you go. So it doesn't snow a whole lot in Seattle, but apparently in this case it did. So let's try another one. Let's say you're creating a blog post on mortgage rates. Okay, so the next one we're going to just play with here is I'm creating a blog post about mortgage rates and the impact it has on buying power. I'm a real estate agent. Create an image for this post. All right, so it actually gave us two here to choose from, which is kind of cool. Let's see. Let's try one more. And then you guys, I highly recommend you just get in and start playing with this. You'll get ideas. And another thing that you'll learn is when we create blog posts, one of the things that we're going to learn in future lessons here is that you can have ChatGPT create the prompt for you that will create the image that will go along with your copy. So hopefully that makes sense. It will in future videos. So this one says, I'm selling a house that has smart home technology. Create a smart home caricature for me. Is that the right word, caricature? Well, let's see what it does. There you go. That's kind of cool, actually. Everybody, just a quick break here. I wanted to say thanks for watching our videos. And if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. It means everything to us. Hopefully you're getting some value out of this content. And if you want to try out our free software, we've got a 14-day trial. It's a fully automated marketing and automation software that's built on the Go High Level platform, tailored to real estate professionals, tailored to home service professionals. We've got some great things that go above and beyond just what Go High Level offers, as far as also just the additional support that we have in training. So if you want to try that out, go to p360trial.com and again hit like and subscribe. And I just wanted to say thanks again for watching. But how long would it take you to find this, if you were to go out and search for the just the right image? So just one more thing too, as we're doing this, let's say I want to edit this. So if I go up here, if you want to keep this, be sure and download it. But if you want to edit it, you can just click on the edit button. There's a couple of ways you can do it. You can copy and paste it. You can say try again. You can copy and paste it and say create a futuristic image for me. So, or you can go in and edit it. So I'm going to go in here and show you the edit function. So you click on that little pencil here. So I'm selling a house that has smart home technology. Create a futuristic picture for an ad, let's say. And then you hit save and submit. And your other picture will disappear. So that's why if you want to save it, if you did want to possibly keep that one, or copy and paste and just say try again, create one with futuristic, a futuristic picture. But with all of these, you can go back and edit your initial prompt. But keep in mind, it does get rid of the past information. Okay, so here's a futuristic house. So that's awful futuristic. It's got drones flying around and robots in the front yard and the whole bit. So maybe you don't like that one. Try again. Let's just see if it'll come up with another one for us. Okay, well, there you go. It's almost the same kind of house. So anyway, let's try one more just for fun. Okay, so here's a fun one. Create an image of children playing with a puppy in the backyard of a suburban home in Seattle. Include some playground equipment in the yard and have a view of the Space Needle in the background. Let's see how specific we can get here. Bang! How about that? So let's try. That's a little more cartoon-like. So let's try one more thing here. So instead of editing it, so I don't lose those, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to copy and paste, create an image. So I'm going to say create a realistic image of children playing with a puppy in the backyard. Okay, let's try that. Okay, well, it's still giving me that kind of cartoon feel, but still, you get the idea. That would be more than adequate. Showing this image right here. Geez, a whole bunch of kids in the backyard. Looks like a daycare. Anyway, the sky's the limit with this stuff, you guys. Anything that your imagination can think of, you plug it in, and you've got instant access to as many images as you want. Hope you're digging this stuff. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.